Have you ever tried to remove an iron-on patch? If you have, I think you must have been frustrated by this task. Removing iron-on patches isn't easy. It requires some skills and patience. Let's introduce a practical and clean method to remove iron-on patches. I've tried the methods many times and found it effective. First, let's prepare the materials. The clothing with iron-on patch, an iron adhesive remover, hot water, a knife, a brush. Once you have these materials ready, let's get started. Step 1. Lay out the clothing with the patch. Step 2. Preheat the iron to 160 degrees Celsius. Step 3. Iron the patch. Remember, it's best to iron the back of the patch, the side with the adhesive. Iron for about 20 seconds, then remove the iron and check if the adhesive on the back of the patch has softened. If not, go ahead iron for another 10 seconds. If it has softened, gently peel off the patch. Remember, start from the edge and be gentle. Don't pull too hard to avoid damaging your clothing. Step 4. After peeling off the patch, it's time to remove the adhesive. This process requires a bit more patience. Step 5. First, spray adhesive remover on the adhesive area. Let it sit for 1 minute, then gently scrape it off with a knife. Repeat this several times. Remember, be gentle. Step 6. Once most of the adhesive has been removed, soak the clothing in hot water, 50-60 degrees Celsius, and add laundry detergent to clean the stains. Now, you can use a brush to clean the area where the adhesive was. If you need to remove a patch, try following our method.